Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jenny Snow here. Today I'm going to be doing slime pet peeves. So let's get started. The first slime pet peeve is when people zoom up too much to make it look like a really big slime when it's really small. On to the next one. The second slime pet peeve is when they poke it with one finger. The third slime pet peeve is when they breathe very heavily. Fourth slime pet peeve is when they poke it way too hard. The fifth slime pet peeve is when they forget where the camera is. Next slime pet peeve is when there are lots of background noises.
Oh, thank you so much, Gabriella. I've always wanted a potato masher. Wow. Oh my gosh, you're so welcome, Mackenzie. Gabriella, you're so nice. I will use this potato masher for my carrots every dinner.
The next slime pet peeve when they add random stuff. The third last pet peeve is when it rips too much. The second last pet peeve is when they've played with it before the video. The last pet peeve is when poking it doesn't make any noise at all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe and comment and share this with all your friends.